Ladies and gentlemen, next to me is Mr. Usman Amjad, who is the director of the organization Global Peace Chain. Welcome, and the floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Renata. I would like to add the closing remarks. Honorable Speaker, distinguished guests, and my young friends across the globe. As we reach to the close of the meaningful day at UNESCO headquarters, I want to begin with one simple word: thank you. Today was not merely a series of panels or presentation. It was a space for listening, learning, and understanding. From high-level diplomatic discussions to youth-led discussions and impactful social presentations, we have witnessed that happens when voices from diverse nations come together with respect, openness, and purpose. We discussed the urgent need to rebuild the trust in a fragmented world. We explored how youth can play a vital role in driving sustainable development and dialogue. We heard inspiring stories from young leaders who are actually taking the real actions, not the theory, but in practice, to promote peace, dignity, and humanity. This is what exactly Global Peace Change stands for. Peace is not created in the conference room. Peace is built through conversations like the ones we share today. Honest, sometimes challenging, but always necessary. And this brings me to an important truth about the peace. If there is to be peace in the world, there must be peace in the nations. If there is to be peace in the nations, there must be peace in the cities. If there is to be peace in the cities, there must be peace between neighbors. And if there is to be peace between neighbors, there must be peace at home. And if there is to be peace at home, there must be peace first in your own heart. What made today truly remarkable was not just the presence of distinguished diplomats and experts, but the confidence, clarity, and courage of our young delegates. You did not come here just to listen. You came here to contribute. You actually did, with responsibility, insight, and vision. To our speakers, moderators, partners, and entire organizing team, thank you for your leadership, time, and commitment. To our collaboration partners, especially Expression Defense, thank you so much for your trust and support in making this summit possible. As the close of the day one, I would like to close with an important message. Peace is not built in a single day, but peace begins with days like today. On behalf of Global Peace Chain, I thank each of everyone for your presence, your voice, and your commitment. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay. Thank you very much.